In this video, we will learn the sixth parameter of Xlookup formula, which is the search mode. Hey friends, welcome to the channel Data with Him. If you don't know how search mode works in Xlookup formula, then this video is for you. Today I will explain how search mode works and specifically binary search mode. So let's jump right in. Here we have a data set about employees that work in a company. And on the right side, you can see that we have employee names and annual salary. Here we want to find out the annual salary of these employees. With the help of Xlookup formula, we can do this. First, I will briefly explain how Xlookup formula works. We will start by writing equal sign, then we will write down Xlookup formula. As soon as you start seeing the Xlookup formula, then you can hit the tab key. Then the first parameter is lookup value. Lookup value is the value that we want the formula to look at for us in our data set. Here we want the employee name. We will select this one and add a comma. Then we have the second parameter, which is the lookup array. Lookup array is a column or a row where the lookup value is located. Here the lookup value is located in employee name column. So we will choose this one. We can use shortcut key, Control Shift down arrow key. Press the F4 key to fix it. Then we will add a comma. Then we have this third parameter, which is the return array. Return array is the column or row where the value that we want to get back is present. And here we want to find out the annual salary. So annual salary is located here in this column. So we will choose this one. Control Shift down arrow key. Then press F4 key to fix it. Hit the enter key. Here you can see that we have the annual salary for the idle leave. If we copy this formula and paste it here, you can see that we have the same result for the other one also. Now here let me explain to you one important parameter, which is search mode. Add a comma. We have fourth parameter, which is if not found. We will skip this. We don't use it here. Then we will add a comma. We have the fifth parameter, which is match mode. Again, skip it. We will not use it. The last parameter is search mode. In the search mode, we have four options: search first to last, search last to first, binary search sorted ascending order, and binary search sorted descending order. Xlookup formula will choose search first to last by default. That's why we have same results for these both employees. Let me explain how this first option works. You can see that we have search first to last and search last to first. Search first to last means that Xlookup formula will go and start searching from top of the list and it will go till to the bottom of the list. Whenever it finds the exact match, it will stop searching and it will return that value. But in the search last to first, the formula will go and start searching from the bottom of the list and it will go up to the top of the list. Here, if we change the last parameter from search first to last to search last to first, you can see that we have different result here. The first one was 99,600 and the second was 100,700 because in the second formula we set the criteria to search last to first. It means that it will go and start searching from bottom of the list and it will go to the top of the list. Now, whenever it finds the exact match, it will stop searching and it will return that value. Let me show you here idly. Here you can see that we have two employee names which are same, but we have different annual salary for these employees. That's why based on the criteria that we set in our formula, we got two different results. Let's clear the filter from here. Now let's go to the other two options for search mode. Again, we will write down the Xlookup formula. We can copy it from here, Control C, Control V for paste. Then you can see that we have two other options for the search, which is binary search. First, let me explain how binary search method works. Imagine you have a book and you want to find out one specific page from it. In the binary search method, you can do it like this. First, you will divide the book into two halves. Then you will have to see which page is close enough to your target page. Then you will select that half and again divide it into two other halves. Then again you will see the number of pages and see which one is close enough to your target page number. Then again you will select that half and divide it into two other halves. And you will continue this process until you get to the page number that you want. That's how binary search method works. Now, the most important thing in binary search method is that the data in your book or in your sheet must be sorted either in ascending order or in descending order. Now let's go and practically work it. Here we will choose binary search sorted ascending order. Hit the tab key, then hit the enter key. You can see that we got an error. So let's go and check our data. You can see that the employee column here is not sorted. So we have to sort it in ascending order. Sorted in ascending order. Now let's go and see. Here you can see that we have 99,600 for the idle leave. Now let's copy the formula and paste it here and change the last parameter to binary search sorted descending order. Hit the tab key and hit the enter key. Again, we got an error because, as the criteria said, we have to sort our data in descending order. But if you remember, we sorted it in ascending order. So we will change it in descending order. Now if we go and see, here you can see that we have this 100,700 for idle leave and an error for the first formula because our data sorted in descending order. But the criteria for the first formula was to sort it in ascending order. That's how binary search method works. Now you might be wondering why we should use binary search method when we have two other simple ways to do this. The answer to that question is that binary search method works very fast. Imagine you have a dataset with more than millions of records or more than 100,000 of records. You can use binary search method in those cases because if you choose other two options of search mode, you will get back the result in about 3 seconds, but if you choose binary search method, then you will get back your result in about 1 second or even less than 1 second. And that's why you can use binary search method. As simple as that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.